Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's to MOSHEH TV here again. So today we are at the Solution Fun City in Oka, the one that is still under construction. So my last update concerning this Fun City is before the New Year time. So right now we are back to the Fun City to see how everything is going. So at the time of arriving, we noticed that almost all the workers have arrived and they have fully resumed work for this year. So we are currently at the outside of the Solution Fun City at the entrance, and this is what you can find by the side of the entrance gates, and I'll still show you the other side of it. So from what you saw the last time you visited, I can tell you that no bigger changes from this outside. The only changes I'm seeing there is that they are about to demarcate, to complete the demarcation wall that demarcate the outside and the inside the Solution Fun City. And here is the other side of it, that was covered with palm. So as you can see, nothing is currently going on there at the moment. So nothing is going on there actually for now. So what is there is that what was previously there is what is still there. So right now we are inside the Fun City. From the entrance, once you come in from the entrance, this is what you're gonna see when you move back a little bit to the back. So from there, let's show you the long tennis court, which is this one you are watching right now. It's under construction too. It's inside the where the reception building is located, a kind of inquiry building where it is located. That is where this long tennis court is being built. So this is the latest update concerning the long tennis court actually for now. For the building you are seeing down there is the inquiry building, or should I say reception arena or something. So from here I'm going to be showing you the entrance to that the entrance gates to that building, because it was demarcated from other sections too. So this is the building, and this is the environment of the building. It has its own space too. So from here, what you are currently seeing, the one you just saw, this one is the entrance gate to the building. So it was demarcated from others. So from there, when you head back, you're gonna see other things. So this is the entrance gate from the outside. From the outside, the main gate of the Solution Fun City. So from here, I'm gonna be showing you also the looks of the Solution Fun City gate from the inside, and that is what you just watch right now. So turning back, we're gonna be heading back to the where the whole construction is currently happening. So when I arrived this particular section, I noticed that a lot of changes is happening already around this area. So over here, I think they are trying to put up another structure over here. So they are already at the foundation level. They are doing the foundation at hand when I arrived there. So for now, I don't have clue of what they want to actually construct on these sections, but they are already on the foundation, and from look of things, what they want to do there is another building construction. From the looks of things, from the foundation I saw the day I visited, you can see it for yourself. So they're already digging the foundation, and very soon another structure will be put up there. So there's something I have been forgetting to mention in my videos that I've been covering concerning this Fun City. I think something is missing in this Fun City, and I hope maybe it's there or maybe it's not, because currently I can't find a hotel for lodge, where people that came here can lodge, and I did not find eatery, space for eatery or anything. I have not find it, but the place is still under construction. So I'm hoping maybe it will still be constructed, or maybe they have it already, but I don't know the particular building. So let's just be watching and hoping that is attached to the front seat, because the time I visited Asaba Lecture Park, I think I find a hotel for lodge inside the lecture park, and also find a restaurant also inside that lecture park. So I hope this one will also come with it. So another thing I want to talk about is this drainage system or canal that you just watch. It's still under construction though, so I'm hoping that there will be something will be done about that, it will not be like that, it will not be like this, because it's not looking neat at all. So I hope when everything is done, that place will be covered, or something else will be done there, to give the place a very nice look also. So another thing I noticed when I arrived this destination is that from this section where the roller coaster, according to what you guys taught me on the comment section, you say that rotating thing there is called roller coaster. So around this roller coaster side, you also notice that they have started bringing in sand, maybe for sand filling, the area or something. So they are bringing in sand on that section. So very soon I think they will start sand filling that section actually. So that is just it. So from here we're gonna be heading down to that this thing you are seeing there. Nothing much is going on there right now except what was done there before. And another thing I noticed there that Caterpillar is kind of making foundation around the around this particular thing, around this particular area. Don't know if they want to demarcate it from other section, or they want to put up a new thing there. So let's just be watching, and once the thing is put up, we know what they want to actually do there. So another thing is that rotating stuff that is done there, they are currently installing machine that will be controlling, machine that will be controlling the rotating stuff. That's what they are doing when I arrived there. So in the video I zoom it a little bit, you should have seen it when I zoomed it in. So they are currently installing the machine there. So this is a kind of new drainage system they are putting up. So I made mention of it the last time I visited here. I said a lot of drainage system were being constructed in this fun city, to be able to contain the flow of water and the other things they're gonna be removing when time is necessary, that kind of thing. So from here we're gonna be heading to the other side of it to go and also show you all the latest update we got from this our last visitation. So over here, this one, the last time we visited, this particular thing was not installed. So that rubber that is attached, or plastic, I don't know what to call it, so was not installed the last time we visited, but now it has been installed. And now this one is beginning to take a new shape. I'm beginning to understand what this one is all about. So I think it has a staircase. You climb the staircase, then from there you're gonna slide down, then enter the swimming pool at the frontage. So I'm gonna be showing you everything. This is the side view. I'll also show you the front view of it, so you see the looks of the stuffs. So this is a kind of another side view, but showing both the swimming pool, where people that is coming up is coming from that up above gonna be entering. So you just climb the staircase, then from here you head down, then land yourself inside the swimming pool. So from there we also step down a little bit. This one I used to show it in my video. Currently I'm yet to understand what this one is all about, because the way we made it is still the way it is, only the tiling is the different thing. So from here, let me show you the front view of the stuff. So this is the front view, as you can see. So once you come down from there, you enter this swimming pool. So this is the front view. This is how it looks like. So after this one, we also gonna head down to the one I showed you in my previous updates. I think this one is another swimming pool or something. So another gaming where children, mainly for children though, I have been showing it things, and that place also the new things are being put up. They are surrounding the place with another extra layers of should I say designs or something. So I will also be showing you everything in this video, so you see. So this is the latest updates we have concerning this fun city for now. So the those things are that pan that are being put up to block the views from the outside are still being installed to all the sections that have not been touched. So it's been installed, and very soon it's gonna be completed. So the screening is still ongoing, almost done, but not yet cover the whole fence. So the screening is still ongoing. So this is what I'm seeing. You can see another design has been put up around the place to complete this angle. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly give us your own opinion concerning the fun city via the comment section. And if you think there's something that is still lacking apart from the one I mentioned earlier, you can as well drop them via our comment section. And don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Continue with the video.